In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. To start recording, click on this button with a microphone. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, click on the left one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, click on the right one. Then name it and hit save. Now to access a list of all your recordings from here, click on those three lines at the top right corner. To play the chosen one, click on it. And to get rid of it, click on those three dots on the right and hit delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!